Morning, everybody. My name is Ashley. I'm a senior pre-sales engineer at Purdicom. I do the day-to-day running of the technical team. And joining me today, we're going to have Marc Jackson, Regional Technical Manager of Cambium. So a bit of an agenda for what we're going to go through today. We've got an overview of Purdicom, everything that we are and what we do. Then we'll have an overview of Cambium, all of their product range. Next up is the bit that you've all came here to see, the overview of the cnWave. Talk a bit about why it is so good for CCTV and elsewhere. Then we'll have a bit about Cambium Networks and why Purdicom choose to work with Cambium Networks so closely. And finally, we'll finish up with a bit of a Q&A session. Purdicom are a next generation wireless networking and security distributor. We're headquartered in Oxfordshire, and we work with customers all across the EMEA region. Few facts and figures about Purdicom. We currently have 56 full-time employees with 27% year-on-year growth. We've got over 25 awards in the distribution sector. We've been running since 2005, and we are ISO 9001 certified. Of course, we're here today to talk about Cambium and cnWave, but we do have a very wide offering of carefully selected, offering the best technology available. So please do feel free to get in touch with us with any of the other technologies that we sell. As a distributor, we offer a true value-added experience. We're not interested in just shipping a box. We want to work with you around that too. We have a highly skilled technical team able to provide pre and post-sales support for you, as well as live demonstrations with our technologies. We're able to provide flexible finance and logistics support to help you meet your deadlines and schedule your installation projects. We have dedicated account managers from a very knowledgeable sales team to act as your single point of contact across the whole business. Our brilliant marketing team can offer marketing campaign support, content creation, and vendor-led marketing development funds. Our technical team is here to help the whole way through your project from the start to the finish. We can offer free heat maps, link plans, and product demos for you to help you get the sale in the first place with your customer. Once you've completed the sale, we can assist further with pre-configuration of the kit before it leaves our warehouse and free remote technical support with our team of third-line engineers. Our technical team is proud of the content that we create. We have a large knowledge base written by engineers for engineers, covering everything from getting started guides to common faults and fixes with all of the kit that we use. And finally, we're able to offer vendor-accredited training, including both cnMaestro and Cambium's Enterprise AP range. Of course, as we touched on earlier, we've got a wide range of complementary solutions, and we'll run through some of the technologies that we work with here. In our portfolio, we have complementary industry-leading Wi-Fi and smart onboarding platforms, allowing you to provide the correct Wi-Fi solution for any environment. We've got point-to-point and multi-point technologies covering everything from short street-level CCTV connections to connecting offshore wind farms covering vast distances. We have a full suite of UPS products at a very disruptive price level, providing high-quality performance at a low cost. Our smart CCTV solutions offer such as ANPR, facial recognition, and access control. We have AI and machine learning powered analytics and control platforms. This can help your tech teams find a problem before it's even arrives. We have a full range of switching products with a team of experts on hand to help you find the right switch. With the switching products, we have the Cambium series of switches and ICX switches also. And then on the security products, we cover everything from firewalls to endpoint protection. I'll have
Hi, good morning, everyone. Cambium Networks is a pioneer in the fixed wireless access, point-to-point and point-to-multipoint space, with a leading pedigree in wireless innovation since 1999. Scalable from allowing you to grow from one device, whether that's in one enterprise access point, to thousands and thousands of fixed wireless access subscribers. We offer flexibility and powerful management platform, allowing you to manage the majority of the Cambium products, allowing you to adopt and play as your network grows. With unmatched performance and reliability over the long term, which allows you to reduce maintenance costs and overall better total cost of ownership. So just briefly, I'll talk about what's in the Cambium Networks portfolio before actually delving into the cnWave platform. So Cambium Networks has got a wide range of products in the portfolio, from Wi-Fi, whether that be Wi-Fi 5, 6, or Wi-Fi 6E. We have point-to-point offerings in that'll do anything from 20 meters to 200 plus kilometers. A point-to-multipoint platforms, a small security and SD-WAN gateway, the NSE 3000, and currently 5 different flavors of switch family. So we have 2 tower switch ranges and 3 enterprise switch ranges from the EX1000, 2000, and 3000. All of the products that you can see here, as well as anything in the product families, can actually be managed using the cnMaestro management platform. cnMaestro comes in 2 flavors. That is cnMaestro Essentials, which is a freemium-based platform, so you can just register and adopt any of the products and use them. And then we have a subscription-based platform, being cnMaestro X, which gives you advanced features and longer data retention. I'm going to delve a little bit deeper on the cnWave platform today. cnWave 60 gig is the name of our 60 gig 802.11ay telegraph based family of products in the Cambium portfolio. The solution can be used for point to point using a V1000 to 1000, 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 2000, 3000 to 3000, etc. You effectively get to choose the products primarily based on the desired range. For example, V1000 to V1000 point-to-point link will cover up to a couple of 100 meters, and then in between 1 to 2 kilometers with a V3000 to V3000 link. The 60 gigahertz solution also covers point-to-multipoint using a V5000 as a distribution node, and compared to 802.11ad, cnWave uses 802.11ay. So not allowing 8 clients per sector, but it allows up to 15 clients per sector. So the V5000 can connect up to 30 other client nodes. The cnWave platform can also be used in a distributed mesh network, allowing you to build out a network through multiple hops, allowing you to connect more clients and grow and expand the network as needed. Just build out the slide. 60 gigahertz cnWave can deliver multiple gigabits of reliable connectivity and at a cost much lower than fiber and a lot quicker. One of the key advantages is the ability to quickly deploy, and it can be set up with a distributed mesh with multiple POPs, and it's all manageable within the cnMaestro cloud platform. The applications for 60 gigahertz cnWave are endless. So a quick look through the actual products in the portfolio. We have the V5000. The V5000 is a distribution node. The distribution node has two sectors, two 140-degree sectors. Each sector can take up to 15 client nodes, or it can actually connect up to another two distribution nodes to allow you to build out the network. So you could actually connect up two distribution nodes plus 13 client nodes per sector. The performance per sector is 1.8 gig upload and 1.8 gig download. So currently giving up to 7.2 gig fire rate. In the future, we are looking at allowing you to use channel bonding, which will typically can double the capacity. It uses TDMA, TDD, rather than CSMA, and it uses 802.11ay telegraph-based technology. The V3000 is our high gain client node. This can be used for point-to-point applications, or if you've got any properties or any connections that require just a bit more than any of the other client nodes, you can actually use the V3000. The V3000 comes with a option of scoop, so option of the antenna. We have a 40 dB gain of a 44.5 dB gain antenna. The V5000 and the V3000 have three connectors in the bottom of them. They have a 10 gig Ethernet in. They also have a SFP fiber option, and it also has an auxiliary output, which can be used to power a Wi-Fi access point, a CCTV camera, or you can actually use it in a relay mode to power up another cnWave product. The newest product in the cnWave portfolio is the V2000. The V2000 would be our mid-gain client node. It features a multi-gig in as well as a multi-gig out. Then that can be used to power, again, a Wi-Fi access point, CCTV camera, or you can actually put it in a back-to-back fashion. It has a 40-degree sector and with a 20-degree horizontal, vertical, and everything comes in the box from the power injector and the mounting brackets. And then finally in the portfolio, we have our V1000. The V1000 is a client node. It has a 1 gig network input. It has an 80-degree horizontal, 40-degree vertical antenna. It'll also do beamforming within it. And this is the one that's typically used to connect up premises or connect back to a V5000 in the majority of the scenarios. I'll pass this back over to Ash.
Thanks, Marc. Why should you use cnWave for CCTV? First and foremost, by using cnWave, there's no longer a need to run a data cable to each of your camera locations. You can instantly deploy a full gigabit point-to-multipoint solution to cover all of your connectivity needs. For anybody who's currently using 5 gigahertz for their wireless backhaul, you'll know the pain of interference and radar on the 5 gigahertz band. With cnWave using the 60 gigahertz band instead, you don't have that issue of interference. And since the technology uses such a narrow beam with its beam forming, it reduces the risk of any future interference issues becoming present as well. The 802.11ay standard provides us with high throughput and low latency connection, comparable to a hardwired connection, meaning your network will always be able to handle what's thrown at it. As touched on before with Marc, you have PoE out on selected models, meaning that you can power your CCTV cameras directly from the radios. No need for an extra PoE injector or a PoE switch to be mounted outside. And then we have the simple deployment of the cnWave kit. You use the E2E controller to configure all of the links between your equipment, meaning everything is controlled from one single location, making deployment so much easier. Sorry, skipped one there. So outside of CCTV, there is a multitude of applications for cnWave. The multi-gigabit throughput of cnWave makes it easy for you to extend your existing fiber networks and provide gigabit broadband access to business and residential customers. In holiday parks, there's often the issue of how to provide high-speed internet connectivity to each of the holiday homes without having to shut down the park so they can bury the cables. Using cnWave, you can provide a simple solution to this problem, quickly deploying high-speed internet to every holiday home. By utilizing existing street furniture, such as street lights and traffic lights, cnWave can provide a solid backhaul platform for large public Wi-Fi deployments, as well as providing connectivity for cameras and sensors for smart cities. The 280-degree coverage on a V5000 is perfect for linking widespread campus areas and providing building-to-building connectivity as well. We touched earlier, the range devices can be even one simple demonstration, providing a single unified platform for your entire network. This gives you full visibility of your entire point to multi-point deployment, as well as any other Cambium equipment that you may have, such as Wi-Fi and switching. cnMaestro is highly secure and provides operators with complete visibility, including of the entire network. Additional functionality includes monitoring, configuration and firmware updates, as well as alarms, reports and statistics. Using these notifications, you can get notified instantly if a link goes down. cnMaestro also supports the RESTful API for northbound integration and higher layer network management and provisioning systems. And as I mentioned a moment ago, we've got this, you can manage your entire Cambium network from that single pane of glass. So why Cambium Networks? Purdicom have been working with Cambium Networks for a long time. We partnered with Cambium in their pre-Motorola days, and we've had a long and close relationship since. We are the sole master distributor of cnPilot and EPMP in the UK, Cambium Networks. We're able to offer Cambium certified training, and upon completion of selected trainings, you can get free NFR kits. And with Cambium, we have exclusive offers such as a 3-month money-back guarantee, 5-year warranty, and extended credit terms. Why Cambium Networks? Their connected partner program is unrivaled. It enables you to better respond to today's wireless evolving wireless marketplace. The connected partner program provides simplicity, scale, and a significantly lower total cost of ownership. By signing up to the connected partner program, you can get advantages such as product line discounts, special promotions, exclusive sales and marketing tools and resources, and virtual sales and technical training. do have a promotion with the cnWave kit. You can buy a cnWave starter kit containing 1 distribution node, 2 of the V3000s, 2 V2000s, 2 V1000s, and all of the required power supplies and mounting brackets. This also comes with 90 days of CMO/X, available until further notice. So that covers all of the slides, so we can move on to any questions and answers, questions that anybody may have. Feel free to send them over in the chat if you have any. So we do also have some pre-submitted questions that I can quickly run through. So the first one, what distance are the radios able to work on? We did touch on that a little earlier. In real world figures, we're often seeing V5000 to V5000 connections at around 120 to 150 meters, V1000 to 1000 at 150 to 180 meters, 2000 to 2000 at around 500 meters, and 3000 to 3000 at around 1.2 to 1.5 kilometers. Second question that we have here, will the radios work without line of sight? Unfortunately not. The cnWave kit does require a clear line of sight for a link to work. Next one here, do we need a license to use the radios in this band? In the UK, you will need to get an EHF license from Ofcom to operate in the band. It is a single license for your organization that covers all of your deployments, and it's at a cost of £75 every 5 years currently.
Just to add to that, I think that's only for when using the V3000. I think it's based on a power output or antenna gain, but check Ofcom's website.
Thanks, Mark. To maximize range performance, what channel frequency is best to use? So the best channel to use is channel 4, which operates at 64.8 gigahertz. That's due to this channel having less of an impact from oxygen and water absorption than some of the other channels available. And the final one here, does the antenna beam scanning mean that the cnWave radios can be installed on lightweight lighting columns, or do they need to be fitted to buildings? So much of the cnWave kit has self-aligning and auto beam forming, meaning that it can be mounted on unstable mounts, such as lighting columns and lampposts that have a bit of a sway in them. They don't need to be on a perfectly solid building, unlike some other millimeter wave equipment. I think we have had a couple of questions coming through as well. So we've got, are there plans to throttle CN devices in future updates other than using MCS?
Simon, that is a fantastic question. I will take that back to our 60 gig internal team, and I will get you the answer.
Okay, and another one here, this may be slightly off topic. Do you have solar power / UPS solution to enable the units to be fitted where there is no mains power? So we do not currently have a solar powered offering. We do have UPS solutions, but unfortunately we're not able to offer the solar currently. Do we have any further questions at all? So in that case, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and feel free to contact us if you do have any further questions, or if you're interested in getting a quote on any of this equipment. You can email us at cambium@purdy.com, or call the number shown on the screen. Thanks again for all your time.